What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys just saw in the opening clip, we did get some parts for the Mazda 6 today. Yeah, basically what they are is it's nothing big. One is, which I haven't even installed, and the other one, which is actually LED lights, which I'm really excited about that. We'll go over that, and I don't know if you guys can see this. This is a bigger package, but basically it's a front lip. Yeah, so I ordered that. Now the thing is, it might not be a perfect fit because this is for the 2019 and 2020 Mazda 6s, as I didn't like any of the 2014 or 2017 whatever ones, and I like this one. I had seen this one on some guy that's bagged on Instagram, so I figured I'd try to make it fit, and if not, fuck it, whatever, you know. Either way, I'm gonna break this lip once I bag the car. I was running a lip on my previous on the previous car, and I broke it in like a week and a half. So the worst thing that happened is I break this one if it doesn't fit, so we'll somehow make it fit, hopefully. But yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm really excited. I'm really excited about the lights because I hated how I didn't have LEDs on my other car, and I finally pulled the trigger. So yeah, let's get started. So this is how the lip sits, or how it looks, I guess. Honestly, I like this lip a lot better than my first one. I feel like the first one was too aggressive, and this one is just perfect. And for like 50 bucks on eBay, I mean, what more could I ask for? And I know MV tuning, I want the MV tuning one, but that's like 150 bucks, and I'm not gonna be going to 150 bucks per lip. So the eBay special it is. You guys know what I just realized? I don't think it, oh, there we go. I was about to say, I don't think it brings hardware, but here it is. So now that we got the hardware out, for you guys who've never done this before, there's basically two size bolts, a little one and a small one. Now, so you guys don't make the same mistake I did when I first, basically with these lips, you do not want to put the big ones through here, because obviously they'll come up through here. Trust me, I know, I found out the hard way. So for the little ones, to basically just get the whole lip as one piece, use the small ones, so that way they don't penetrate through the actual lip. I know, because I did it on the other one. Yeah, it wasn't that bad, but I mean, knowing, once you know that something's wrong with it, you know, it just kind of bugs. So yeah, just use the small ones for that, and use the big ones for mounting them. Alright, now what I'm gonna do, since this probably doesn't fit my bumper as good as I would want it to, I just got this like solid, this is like crayon, kinda. So basically what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna trace the line all the way down here, and then just basically go down all the way to the bottom. So basically like this, I guess you could say. Oh yeah, it's already here. So yeah, and then all the way to like the bottom. Oh well, there's not even holes right there. I mean, we'll figure it out. Actually, no. I thought there would be a hole right here, but there's not. So we'll see right now. No big deal. This says I'm gonna have to put the car on jack to lease the front too, because my drill is too, I guess you say big, where it won't fit. I won't be able to fit it under to drill in, so gotta get that and the jack stand. Alright, so basically this is the setup I got. What I'm gonna do is, you guys will see in the video right now, but I'm just gonna go under here, and obviously this is gonna sag, so that's why I put these boxes here so I can hold it up a bit more, so it's not sagging too much. Hopefully I can get everything lined up good. But yeah, fingers crossed this lines up pretty good. I don't think it will, because I kind of already messed it up in my head, but I mean, shouldn't be that off, you know. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, this kind of worked, but not really. But it's alright. I mean, from far away, you won't be able to tell. Now, I'm hoping that this will look better once it's on the floor. Obviously, right now I'm on stock suspension, so it probably looks kind of funny. But let me just finish it off. I actually like this one a lot better than the other one. Alright guys, so there it is. Now I realize maybe why it looks so funky is because the car is so high off the ground. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just lower this down and then show you guys the end result. And then I'm probably gonna install these LEDs later, because you guys can see the sun's coming out, so your boy doesn't want to get burned. So, and I think I'm gonna take this off too, might as well. Your boy does not run license plates in the front. All right, so here it is, guys. Honestly, without the license plate and everything, I think it looks good. Now obviously it doesn't look as good as it will once it's laid out on the floor, but I'm glad with how the fitment was. As you can see, this is like my biggest concern. Let's see how the other side came out. So it's like nothing crazy. But yeah, either way, eBay lips, they have a tendency to not be like perfect fitment. So surprisingly, really good. So relax and take notes while I take totes of the marijuana smoke. Throw you in a choke, gun smoke. Biggie smokes for mayor, the rap slayer, the hooker. Alright guys, so surprisingly, excuse my hair because it's fucking hot. But everything went pretty smoothly with the install. I was really nervous that either it was gonna be too big or too small, but I mean, I guess you can make them work. There's like a little space where it's not like flush, but I mean, hey, doesn't look that bad, and only you know, especially when the car is that low, nobody's gonna tell. So yeah, it came out really good. So at least now you guys know you guys could also fit 2018 to 2020 lips on your cars. So yeah, now I'm gonna go inside because it's hot. I'm gonna hopefully install the LEDs either tonight or tomorrow morning again, but it's too hot right now to work on the car. But yeah guys, so let me know what you guys think of the lip. Obviously it doesn't look as good as it will once it's on the floor, but all right, I mean, so be it, right? All right, what's up guys? Damn, this light is bright as hell. All right, so basically I figured it'd probably be best to just see how it looks during, damn, this shit's so bright, how the lights see during the night. I mean, it shouldn't be too hard. So what I'm gonna do for you guys is I'm gonna turn on, oh, I already took one out, but basically this one's off, so that's why it's not shining. It's in there, but basically this is how the lights look. On this side you can see it's like not that bright, and I got these on Amazon. I don't know if you guys can see, but I got those. I'll put the link in the description. What the man, I give my girl my car for 1 week and it's already filthy. But yeah, and look, if you guys that didn't know, this car actually brings a cold air intake, which is already a plus, I guess, because I do plan on tuning this car, which made sense because the car would make a, I guess you could say like a, you know, those cold air intake noises. And I thought something was wrong with the car. I was like, damn, I just bought a lemon ass car. But so yeah, basically what I did is stuck my hand in here. I just lined it up, basically the light and with the headlight, and the headlight was right here, the thing. So as you can see, I already disconnected this side. So I just plugged that in real quick off camera because I can't record and stuff. And then I'll teach you guys how to do it on this side too. It should be the same thing, you just stick your hand in there. But I'll see if I can do it before and after for you guys. Alright guys, so I finally got it off. But yeah, basically what you guys can see is I saw a video online where it was saying that when people buy like LEDs, like the big ones that have like 3 on each side or whatever, I'll see if I could post a picture of them. I mean, your LEDs are literally have like projectors, you know, like this things right here. I don't know if you guys can see them, but basically it's based off of this little light right here. This little little wires in between there, that's what basically your Mazda or whatever will base it off of. So basically they're saying that, like, you know, if you get some that have like 3 all around, the light is made specifically just for this little area to project light off of that. And you know, it throws it off when you get some that have like LEDs right here, because it doesn't project light off how it should. So what I did is, they were trying to advertise some that were like 120, like $200. So I checked on Amazon and I figured that these, you see, if you like line them up evenly where the red is, they fit perfectly. Like this little, the yellow thing is what's gonna shine, and it matches up perfectly with this. So this should make, in total, the projector to basically work the same as it was an OEM light bulb. So hopefully I did enough research. If not, fuck it, whatever. It's LEDs, you know, it doesn't really matter. But I'll see if I can show you guys the end results once I'm done. But yeah, let me know if they were even accurate, or if they were just trying to sell expensive light bulbs, because it made sense what they said, you know. But I'm not 100% sure. I'm not an expert. Alright guys, so okay, so here's like the color difference. As you guys see, this is pure white, and that's like a hazy yellow. Now I have my other one. As you can see, you can tell obviously which side is brighter, this one compared to this one. Alright guys, so this is what I was talking about. As you guys see, like this one, this little red gasket thing, a rubber gasket, is a lot thicker than this one. This one's a bit more, I don't know how to say it. So basically all you have to do is take this one off and take this one off and replace this one with this one. That's why I have an extra one of these. And it should fit perfect. That way, as you can see, like, as you can see right there, it gives it enough room. Like right here, you have a bunch of room between the gasket and the place where it catches, and this one, you give it like no room. See what I'm talking about? Between like, in between there, in between there. So yeah, that should be it. Just replace that and you guys should be all good to go. Alright guys, so this kind of sketch because I'm driving stick and recording, but so basically I'll just go down here. Basically this is how the car looks outside. The lights are pretty bright. It looks actually a lot brighter on the camera. But yeah, they're really, really bright compared to the old ones. Like, I used to struggle because this has 50% tint, which isn't a lot, but you know, it still affects it. So it'll probably even look brighter on your guys' windshield because mine is a bit darker. But yeah, that's how it looks, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Honestly, that's the big reason I got these is because of that same exact reason I told you guys, how the little LED strip kind of mimics the original OEM light. So yeah, I'm pulling up into the other one, to my spot. I'll show you guys how it looks from the outside right now. All right, real quick. So yeah, I mean, they're really bright compared to the other ones. I mean, it sucks because You can't really tell. Maybe if I could get it from a different angle. And also my lights are dirty, as you guys can tell. From like the top right here. It's all dirty. So that also affects it too. But yeah, it's pretty bright. As you guys can see, they light up a big portion of the street. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's about it. Alright guys, so yeah, that's gonna be it for this this week's video. Yeah, the lights and lip came out pretty good. Can't complain about anything. Yeah, hopefully the car will look a lot better once it is already like on the ground. The lip will look a lot cleaner. I'll make the car look a lot lower too. So we'll see how that goes. My car is getting back tomorrow. I'll have everything set up. So hopefully by the end of this weekend, because it's Friday, everything should be done. And I should have a video for that. And yeah, and then we got my tail lights that I gotta replace. I'll make a video on that. So I got content for you guys for at least a couple more videos. And yeah, if you guys made it to the end of the video, thank you guys so much for watching. Gosh, man, my hair. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate you guys. See you all in the next one.